happens on uphills. If I release the gas and the RPMs drop, it'll go away, and it'll start again if I give it gas. RPMs go up. And at highway speeds, seems to go away, but that also could just be drowned out. Goes away when I release. It'll pick back up. It's not intermittent. Give it some gas. Recurring sound.